Today I'm going to show you how to manually release your door in case your opener is not working for some reason, power outages, or just malfunctioning, and you have an overhead opener. As you can see, pulling up on the door is not going to work. What you'll do is come over here to the quick release, pull it straight down. Sometimes you got to give a harder tug, and that's it. You pulling it down releases it from that trolley, which you'll be able to see in a minute, a second. Right there. If you want to keep it permanently released, you're going to pull down and back, and then whenever it meets up with that trolley, that's it. It won't connect to it. Now, if you want to reattach it, what you'll do is you'll pull it forward and let go, and now it's going to re-engage once it reaches that trolley. For example, you'll hear it click. Boom, now it's re-engaged. All right, now let's release it and pick the door up manually. You'll just pull, nice tug, just like that. You can open the door manually, no problem.